So I'm giving y'all another update. This is the weather out here. You can see behind me, around me, snow is coming down. This is your weatherman Corey coming from New York State. And the last time that I told y'all it was 10 degrees. It's actually 3 degrees around where I'm at. You may want to check on your family. Make sure that they have everything they need if you live in New York State. Check on your friends. This holiday season, look to the Lord for all your blessings, greatness, and overcoming everything. Storms like this, they come and they can demolish many things, but spiritually it makes us stronger when the storms come. So let's prepare. Be blessed.